Hey everyone, Erica with K here. Today I wanted to talk about what an aesthetic flat closure is, because since I've been talking about this being my future, a lot of people are asking like, so you're not having reconstruction, or I assume you're having reconstruction. And so I wanted to make a video just explaining what this is. So you're removing your breast and you're not replacing your breast. So you're removing your breast and you're going completely flat. There are tons of images on the internet that show what this is. It's becoming more and more popular as, you know, breast implant illness is a thing. And, I'm really excited to lower my chances of breast cancer by 90%. Everybody's path is different, and I totally support whatever anybody wants to do. If you want to remove one breast and keep it flat, if you want to do both, if you want to put implants in, if you want, I think it's called the Goldilocks procedure, where you use your own skin to kind of give like a little bit of a bump. Whatever it is that your path is, that is totally up to you. Body autonomy is so important, not only for people with breast cancer, people who are high risk of breast cancer, but also the trans community. It is so important to have the rights over your own body to decide what is right for you, because everybody is different and everybody's journey is different and everybody feels different ways inside of their own skin. The reason why I chose to go flat is because I personally have hated my boobs my entire existence. They are tremendous. Just to put it into perspective, I weigh about 108 pounds and my boobs weigh 6 of those pounds. So I weigh 108 and my boobs weigh 6 of those pounds. This isn't that all my fat goes to my boobs and I'm lucky, because I don't have fatty tissue as my boobs. My boobs are very dense. Ever since I started developing, I developed like pretty quick, like overnight, and I've started wearing like oversized Backstreet Boy t-shirts and just always uncomfortable with my body, always wearing an oversized t-shirt until I got into like my late teens. And then I started, you know, realizing like I have to actually wear clothes. Finding out how to dress for my body was always a struggle for me, always changing. My bra size was always changing. There was a period in time about a year or two ago where my breast size was changing so rapidly, just the cup size, that every few months I had to get a larger size bra. And so for me, it just makes sense to not do reconstruction. I've had a hate relationship with my boobs my entire life. You know, people have like spread rumors saying that they're fake. They're not fake, they're real. I've hated them forever. I tried to embrace my boobs maybe about a year or two ago. Then I started feeling the lumps, you know, earlier this year. And I just feel like, what am I holding on to? What am I doing? But that's my journey. My femininity never came from stereotypical feminine things. I like myself better with short hair, don't give a hoot about my boobs. It doesn't take away from my femininity. And so I don't stereotypically put myself in a box. And I'm not coming at anybody who does. I'm just saying that femininity is different for everybody. Body autonomy is different for everybody. And everybody deserves a right to have the rights over their own body. I think that that's so important. So that's why I wanted to make this video talking about what an aesthetic flat closure is. There are tons of images on the internet that show you what the results would be from this. Recovery, they say, is about 2 to 4 weeks. After 2 weeks, you're gonna feel like you can do a lot of stuff. I think they say like basically right away, you're gonna feel like you can do a lot of stuff, because it's just like your breast tissue that's being removed. I have a plastic surgeon coming in doing the final closure so that it looks more aesthetically pleasing. I'm really excited to lower my chances of breast cancer by 90%. And I'm also excited to have these ticking time bombs off my body, something that's been causing me mental anguish for so long in my life. Thank you for taking this journey with me. Everybody's journey is different, and that's what makes us all unique, and that's what makes the world go round. So I love you all so much. Thank you for your love and support, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.